At Northwest Cleaning Equipment, we believe that everyone deserves to work in the cleanest environment possible. We are the go-to suppliers of a wide range of equipment from the best brands, including Lavore, FEMAP and Tomcat sweepers and scrubber dryers. From warehousing, manufacturing, engineering, industrial to commercial and healthcare, we provide solutions to your cleaning challenges through the provision of the full range of heavy-duty to light-use equipment. No matter what cleaning challenges your organisation faces, we have the experience, resource and personnel to deliver equipment for emergency, short-term hire through to long-term lease contracts. With the right level of service and repair support and the most appropriate machine for the task. We provide free site surveys to ensure you get the best possible product recommendation provided in the most cost-effective way. And we'll bring equipment along to demonstrate, giving you a clear understanding of the recommended solution.